Morning everyone, we have this 110 ending here in the next hour or so. I wanted to go ahead and do a quick walk around showcasing the quality of this 110 and kind of going over some of the fun additions that were added. Kind of starting on the outside, looking at the wheels, everything's nice and clean. There's no crazy imperfections in the paint. If we look at the driver's side, the doors all work really well. All the locks have been replaced and all the doors have been adjusted so they close really easily with minimal effort. All of them open and all the windows also roll up and down. Super easy, no problem. No friction really, it's super smooth. Here's that where the air conditioning was installed. It blows nice and cold. It works super well and it's nicely tucked up in the dash, and there's no loose wires anywhere. It was installed very well. Here we can take a look at the inverter that I mentioned earlier in the comments. 2 extra plugins there, and here's that Marshall speaker. There's the controls for it. Honestly, a lot of sound comes out of that. It sounds pretty awesome. It's a nice little touch. And then there's no loose wires or cutouts for speakers in the door cards or anywhere else, or big old subs in the back. It's very tastefully done. Headliner, also great condition. It was installed real well. It matches the leather seats. Take a look here. Here's the instrument cluster. Windshield, no cracks or chips. Take a look at the front here. All the lights have been replaced with LEDs. All right, taking a look at the passenger side. Same thing as the driver's side. Paint's really nice. It was done very well. All the wheels are matching color. All the doors also work really well on this side. Take a look at the inside. You got the aluminum door handles here. No loose wires anywhere. It's all nice and tidy. Got the black carpet. Seats are really nice and comfortable. Got the 2 cup holders there. And doors work perfectly. Back here. And let's take a look at the rear. The 2 bench seats that fold up. Ton of room back here. And the bench seats do have seat belts on either side. That closes also perfectly, even with the spare tire on there. Well, if you have any questions, please use that contact seller button. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions. You can also leave a comment down below. If you need a shipping quote, we'll be more than happy to help you out. And good luck with the rest of the auction. Thank you.